Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. D. Madhavi. In this heap sort, one parameter, input parameter, that is array, and the size is not mentioned here. The size will be given by the user. So within the function of this heap sort, heap size is equal to capital N. So this variable will be populated by the user. And there is a build max heap function call passing one parameter array. So the array is passed to this function build max heap. So what happens in this build max heap function? The heap is constructed one by one, and whenever you insert a new element, check whether the heap is satisfying the max heap property or not. If it is not satisfying, reheapify, balance the heap, make it max heap, and once again start inserting. In that way, one element at a time, insert all the elements one after the other and build a max heap. After building the max heap, what you have to do? In order to get the sorting result, you have to continuously delete the elements in the heap in order to get the sorting order. For that reason, you are using a for loop, and you are taking the index variable I, which is initialized to the n. What is n here? The size of the array. That is the last element last element index is initialized to I. And then you are repeating it until it reaches 1 and decrementing it because you are starting with a big value. So in this for loop there are three statements, and the first one is the swap function call. So you are calling the swap function in order to swap the first position element with the last position element. What is there in the first position? The root node. So for performing deletion, you have to swap the root node with the last element. What is I here? I is equal to n, that is the last element index. So you are swapping these two. And after that, what you are doing? You are reducing the heap size by 1, because the last element is already considered for sorting and it is removed from the heap. So the size of the heap is now reduced by 1. The next one is again a function called max heapify, because you deleted the root node with the last element, and now it may not satisfy, the heap may not satisfy the max heap property. So you have to reheapify the heap in order to make it satisfy the max heap property. For that purpose, you are calling this function max heapify and passing the array and the root element and the heap size. And this for loop is repeated for all the nodes in the heap. So this is nothing but heap sort. Now we see the time complexity of this heap sort. So max heapify, it is having the time complexity of order of log n, because max heapify is nothing but reheapify. So only a part of the tree, either left subtree or right subtree, only a part of the tree will be performing the swap operation. Hence, the number of operations will be log n, and the time complexity of max heapify will be order of log n. And the next function we are using is build max heap. it has to insert all the n elements into the heap. So it has the time complexity of order of n. And the thing is, we have to run the max heapify function for n minus 1 times using a for loop in the heap sort function. Therefore, the time complexity of the heap sort function will become order of n log n. N times you are repeating this function. So it is order of n log n. So the time complexity of heap sort is order of n log n. The applications of this heap is, one is to implement priority queue. That is, in a queue, usually first come first served order will be there. But in a priority queue, you can assign some ranks to the elements, and the elements will be attended only in the order of the priority, not by first come first served. So in order to implement that priority queue, you can make use of heap. And the second application is obvious. Just now we discussed about sorting technique, that is heap sort. You can arrange the elements in an order. So for implementing the heap sort, you require both heap insertion, that is building the heap, and heap deletion, continuously deleting all the elements and placing them in the output stream gives you the sorted order.